Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Drive Shield certified 2016 Acura TLX Tech all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers. It also has power mirrors, locks, and all automatic windows. It also has power seating and lumbar support, full leather interior, a sunroof up top, and seats 5 passengers. Heated back seat controls located down below. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls with lane keep assist and a heated steering wheel. It also has a built-in navigation system, a rear view camera with 3 different modes. There's a normal view, top down, and wide view. This vehicle also has a CD player, FM, AM, and XM radio, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, a driver heated seat, dual climate control, and many more great features.